Today here in Nanyuki, we have opened a new autism center by name Tumaini Sentolak Autism Center, a place where we want to attend to children with this particular disability or difficulty living with autism, which is becoming very common in our country. We have seen so many families unable to handle what is happening to their children. In autism, it is not even a disability, it is a learning delay and deficiency that is compensated most times with great ability and skills in other areas. But if we do not catch these children early and give them the chance of learning by addressing in a very expert way the other ways of teaching that are not the usual ones, these children will remain at the zero or very low level.
My son is autistic and akona miaka 8 na nilijua alipokuwa na miaka 3. Hiyo ndio nilisikia hiyo jina kwa mara ya kwanza. Hii ni ugonjwa yenye huyu mtoto anahitaji therapy. So hizi therapies ni very expensive. Kwa mfano tunalipa 2,000 for only 1 hour every week. So it has become very, very expensive. So with this center, we are grateful, first of all, to God, because of the financial burden imetuondolea. Number 2, we know that what God intended these children to become, they will become.